This is a small presentation of the different flour types. Right in the middle, we have Einkorn. That's the oldest grain, around 10,000 BC. It has a distinct yellowish color to it, and the taste is a little bit nutty. It has almost no gluten, so it's hard to develop any dough strength. Then we have Emmer, around 8,000 BC. It also has almost no gluten, so it's very hard to develop dough strength with it. The taste is somewhat similar to rye. It has a very, very strong taste to it. On the right-hand side, we have Spelt, which is around 4,000 to 5,000 BC. Spelt absorbs a lot of water. The baking properties are similar to wheat. The Spelt you can buy nowadays, it's rarely the old Spelt. So it's usually a mixture between wheat and Spelt. It's very hard to get by old Spelt. Here we have rye, which is typical for Scandinavian or German countries. Reason being, it survives the winter. So it's very easy and it's very resistant to cold weather. It has almost no gluten as well, so it's very hard to make a bread with open crumb with rye. And here we got wheat. Wheat is probably the youngest one of them. Wheat has been discovered around 500 BC. Sorry, forgot to say here, rye is around 2000 BC. 500 BC, that's the wheat. Wheat has a lot of gluten and thus can allow you to bake a bread with a really nice and open crumb. Taste-wise, I wouldn't say one of them tastes the best. That's of course always a question, a very subjective question, and it depends on what you like. Me personally, I like to use rye, Einkorn and Emmer because they have a very distinct taste. Thanks for watching.